So I have this idea. I want to redo one of these vices. Let's make one gold. But what, you might ask, is a bench vise? This is a bench vise. Bench vise. Bench vises as bookends. This is a big bench vise. Another bench vise. As you can see, I have a lot of bench vises, but none of them are gold. We first need to pick a vise. Now we let it just sit for a few hours and let the evaporust do its thing. Let's crack it open and see how it turned out. Let's sandblast these parts to clean them up. Let's hit it with some clear spray paint to keep it from flash rusting. Now that the vise is all cleaned up, let's use some gold wax, make this baby shine. Time to put this vise back together. Don't forget about the lube.